What's up? What's up? What's up, honey? It's your girl, Miss G. She's back with another video. Oh, yes, honey. It's hot here today. Can I just tell you, it's like over 100 here in North Carolina. Y'all see, I got some watermelon, right? And nothing else. I have some ketchup. And I have some jalapeno. Got some ketchup. Oh, I got to show you this. My neighbors next door gave me this board. Isn't that cute? They sure did. They gave me that board because I get parties, and her grandfather, I think it was, or her uncle, someone makes them. They're cheese boards. And so she gave it to me. I thought that was nice. For my birthday. Sure did, honey. So now, if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that bell so you get an alert every time I drop a video. And, oof, ciao. If you're visiting your girl again, thank you, Lord. Thank God for Jesus for you. Thank you for the visit. Thank you for checking up on me, coming by and see about a girl, leaving her comments, giving her some thumbs up. You know, all that good stuff that y'all know she like, that you came accustomed to. Is my earring hanging? No. So today I had company. And by the time my company left, it was really too late to cook. Lewis gets home around 10 minutes to 6 now. And I knew I wouldn't have enough time to have the food hot and ready for him when he came home. So, we have Sonics today. Sonics. Yes, and so Stan went out and got it for us. And I wanted some tater tots. Let me see. I wanted some tater tots. So I have me some tater tots here. Love tater tots, honey. And naturally, I wanted me some fries also. So I have me some fries here. Uh-oh. There's some tater tots in the bottom. And I wanted me a burger. I sure did. Yes, and I love Sonic burgers. They so big. And juicy. Yummy, yummy, yummy for my tummy, tummy, tummy. That is my ketchup that keeps my tots falling. I love ketchup. I'm gonna make some jalapenos, cause y'all know I need some jalapenos for my burger. I do. Oh my God, that's gonna be so good. My kids just had Sonic because I be trying to eat a little healthier. I don't be having Sonic as much as my family has Sonic. But you know, my kids have their friends over and they have Sonic a lot. What can I say? I just couldn't take the mess sitting right there. Sorry. You know how that is. Fries. I'm sorry. I ate a tot. I meant to say first bite. First bite. Who doesn't like fries? Well, there's a lot of people don't, but I do. I like tater tots too. And y'all know how much some watermelon. And I went out and picked out some more flowers today. I sure did. I wanted to have some for you guys, and so I picked it. She good. Bite the burger. Bite the burger. Bite the burger. Bite the burger. With a bun. I don't know if there's gonna be enough jalapenos from before. That's so doggone good. God, that's good. Can I just tell y'all that's good? And it's good and spicy too. I can feel my jalapenos. They doing me good. Lewis love burgers. So my baby's having two. His mama love potatoes. Just like she love bread. I haven't had fries in so long. They're so good. You forget how good fries are until you have them again. That's so good. Thank God for company. Because of company, I didn't even have time to make me nothing. And I was gonna make salmon. So you know we're having salmon tomorrow. Because they have blackened salmon back in stock. Can I just tell y'all, it's been a while. We would go to the Sam Club and to the BJ's and we wasn't able to get no blackened salmon. But now, we can get some. Some blackened salmon. Another bite. Burger. Oh. That's so good. That burger's good. And with these jalapenos, it is really, really good. Really. It's got my mouth on fire a little bit right now. But it's so doggone good. Wow, that's good. My mouth on fire. My mouth's on fire. She's on fire. Fire. That's the juice, y'all. I'm trying to pour it off here because I need to get the rest of the jalapenos out of here. I don't want the juice coming on my burger. Voila! I did it. Y'all know I need some of this water too. God, that's good. Woo! My mouth feels good now. Everything is just so delicious. You don't know where to go, where to start, where not to start. Let me dip a little ketchup. It has a sauce on it, you know. Some kind of sauce is on here, but oh, Mama Mita, spicy meatball. Can y'all see that? Let me just show y'all. I can go. Don't worry, I got it. Voila! Did y'all get to taste it? Yummy. That was good. Sonic is good. Cookout too. I like Cookout because of grill burgers, but this is good. kids got like a banana shake. A banana shake. And so Lewis was taking a shower just before I came on. But y'all know I be doing my own videos now. I come in here and I close the door. So hopefully there's less noise. Like just now I can hear my dryer. No wash machine. Stop because I wash clothes today because Ronson has to go back to work tomorrow. And I wanted to wash his uniform for him. So I did that. See the juice? Now I can throw it away. Uh-oh, I got a belch. Uh-oh, excuse me. Sorry. Thank you, Lord, for that. Woo, that's like pop, pop, biz. Oh, what a relief it is, honey. Now she can continue. Yeah, it's been a long time since I had fries. Because it's not good for me to have them today. The wedding is in a week and 2 days. The second wedding. The first wedding we already went to, and I shot a video about it. I got uploaded because I asked her, can I talk about her wedding? And she said yes. So I did a wind down Friday with it. Because it was so beautiful. Isn't it crazy? But I like to eat one fry at a time. I do. Yeah, everybody have a little thing about what makes it taste better to them. And for me, if I put one fry in my mouth at a time, it tastes so good. And tater tots remind me of home fries. I don't know if I can dip it again in the front part because, see, it's like want to fall. But that little bit of ketchup tasted good on there. And see, that's the part I need to bite right there. Need me a little heat. Put that little heat up here. Oh my God. You see that? Y'all want some? Go ahead. Take that bite right there. It's right in the box. Get it. Okay, I'll take it for you. She just don't disappoint. Ugh, I can't believe 15 minutes is up. She's dripping all down my hand too. Ugh. I'm not gonna have time. I want to take one more bite, but I'm already looking at 16. He can cut about a minute out for me though, because I had to find a thumbnail. And then you remember I started to take my glasses off and had to put them back on. Please don't let none of the food get in my teeth. A little bit. But y'all know exactly what time it is. It's time to turn the lights out in here, boo. Thank y'all so much for putting up with me. And thank you for visiting me. Deuces, baby. Peace. Your girl out. She gotta go.